What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your Xiaomi Mi Scooter Pro and other version of Xiaomi scooters currently in 2025 using the scooter hacking utility. So after it you can have the possibility to ride it up to 35 kilometers per hour, 32 or even more, even 40, depends on your scooter. So first of all, please find out the scooter hacking utility in a Play Market or App Store, open it up, then actually I already connected to scooter, but at the first you will need to connect to the scooter. So here is Mi Pro scooter. So it's connecting, wait until it will be connected. First time you will just double press on it on a headlight and it will be turned on. So after this you will have access to a scooter, so make sure that flash is available here. Here is the BLE, BMS and DRV characteristics. So after all, you need to open up the scooter hacking mi.svw.ch. I will update for you, and here you should set up your scooter. So you see the characteristics available here. I make brightness a bit brighter. And what you should select is power and speed. And here you should set 30 ampere maximum. It's for Pro, but for other version maybe you should use the lower one or higher one, depends on your version. So for Pro, Pro 1 and Pro 2, maximum 30 ampere. Also here I like faster, so I put a bit like 6 ampere here. Maximum speed, let's limit to 40 kilometers per hour. All the other keep unchanged. So finish, time to cook, select the scooter hacking utility, download zip file. So zip file is downloaded. We have back to the app, then click flash, load from the file, open the file that you've just downloaded. Here is this file, click on done. So then click start flashing and wait until it will be flashed. So it's taking less than 30 seconds. So after it will be reached, you will get this unlock. Until now, do not power off the scooter and stay close to it. So actually it taken me around 20 seconds to finish, and once it's done you will see the notification that it's successful. So let's wait, 100%, flash complete. So now let's test the speed. Alright, now test the speed. So let me spin it. As you see, speed is running 35 kilometers per hour. It's, I guess, maximum for this scooter, for Mi Pro. So it's working well. As you see, 35, constantly running. So basically for the instructions, that's pretty much it. It's in case you still have some question, put in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.